Traditional Chinese kites received a warm welcome during the Kite Festival held at Fánوئے, Denmark. As one of the largest of its kind in Europe, the annual Fánوئے International Kite Festival is being held on an island off Denmark's west coast, attracting over 5,000 kite enthusiasts from around the world.
We have invited 25 kite makers because China is the birthplace of the kite, and we are the biggest kite festival in the world, so we think this is the year where we want to show the world how Chinese kites are.
Few people have the chance to go to China and watch them. So to get all these 25 kite makers coming here and have a lot of people, more people, a chance to watch them close, I mean near, to see the exquisite bamboo work.
喜欢这风筝应该是在少年时代，十几岁左右吧。但是呢，经过实行正量学生能制作风筝以后，能做的不错的风筝，起码需要10几年。至今到现在，已经有做风筝已经有60年了。
我认为一个好的风筝呢，它主要是要让人看到这个风筝，就是想到了自己向往的一个美好生活。也就是说，大家呢就是放风筝，看到这以后就觉得呢，哎，我的生活会像这风筝一样节节高。